Hello everyone. Carbon dioxide and climate are the key words which govern the global warming. Carbon dioxide makes up the vast majority of greenhouse gas emissions from the sector, but smaller amounts of methane and nitrous oxide are also emitted. These gases are released during the combustion of fossil fuels such as coal, oil and natural gas to produce electricity. It is interesting to see that the surface temperature of Venus is around 460 degrees Celsius. In the case of Mars, the temperature can dip to as low as minus 140 degrees Celsius. If we compare, distance from the Sun is not the only factor. Here we have a comparative analysis of three planets, Venus, Mars and Earth. The atmosphere of Venus is comprised mostly of carbon dioxide that prevents the heat from escaping, so turning the planet into a furnace. The planet Mars, on the other hand, lacks a thick atmosphere that can retain heat. Earth has the right amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere that traps the right amount of heat from the escaping, so making our planet neither extremely hot nor cold. As we can see from this chart, transportation sector emits highest amount of carbon dioxide, followed by industrial sector. China is the largest emitter of carbon dioxide gas in the world. USA and India are respectively second and third largest emitters. Carbon dioxide released before 120 years, you can find it still in the atmosphere. Similarly, carbon dioxide released today into the atmosphere will be accumulated and remain for another 120 years. At present, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is 410 ppm parts per million as compared to pre-industrial level of 280 ppm. The safe limit of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is 350 ppm. However, we should not exceed 550 ppm in future. World's largest carbon dioxide sink, Amazon rainforest, absorbs 2 billion tons of carbon dioxide a year, which is 5% of annual emissions. There were fire outbreaks in Amazon in 2019, which was a concern worldwide. The global warming potential is a measure of how much a given mass of greenhouse gas is estimated to contribute to global warming. It is a relative scale which compares the gas in question to that of the same mass of carbon dioxide. Overall, the global annual temperature has increased at an average rate of 0.07 degrees Celsius per decade since 1880 and at an average rate of 0.17 degrees Celsius per decade since 1970. Human activities such as the combustion of fossil fuels and deforestation have caused the atmospheric concentration of carbon dioxide to increase by about 35% since the beginning of the age of industrialization. 1 liter of gasoline, when used as a fuel, produces about 2.32 kg of carbon dioxide. Emissions need to fall by 2 to 2.5% per year from now on. In order to reduce our carbon dioxide footprint, we have to simultaneously increase our handprints also. Some of these points we can follow in our lifestyle. Let's make climate conscious and fruitful political decisions, and let's be vegetarian, and let's have practice of eating less red meat. Use green electricity as far as possible and try to avoid conventional fuels. Make your home and household energy efficient. Use energy and water efficient appliances, and always let's have a practice to go to our workplace by walking, by cycle, or also we can use public transport. Recycle, reuse and avoid useless purchases also. Thank you.